Twinkling stars, rainbow bright, moonlight, sunrise, a glimpse of how beautiful our Mother God. Beaches, waves, ocean splash, fountain showering, raindrops, a river of our life is our Mother God. The air we breathe, the wind that makes us alive, a semblance breeze of the very source of our life. I do appreciate our Mother God.